So you think you're building wealth because you got the house, you got the mortgage with the lowest rate, you're building equity. Not so fast. Owning a home is not the same as building wealth. That's how you can become house rich and still financially stuck. Every mortgage channel teaches how to get the right mortgage, lower rates, better lenders, smaller payments. Those things matter, but they're only one piece of a much bigger financial picture. Whether your home becomes a wealth-building machine or a very expensive place to sleep depends on the financial decisions you make long after you get the keys. At Home and Wealth, we don't just talk about getting into a home. We talk about what happens after you own one. If you're the kind of homeowner who wants to make smarter financial decisions long after moving day, you're in the right place. Subscribe to this channel, Home and Wealth, because this channel is not about getting a mortgage. It's about making your home one of your greatest wealth-building assets. In this video, we're going to uncover 7 homeowner traps that can quietly cost you wealth and keep you from getting the full financial benefit of owning your home. They're not reckless mistakes. They are financial habits, assumptions, and the kind of thinking that seem perfectly reasonable, but often lead homeowners in the wrong direction. Let's see how many traps you've fallen into. The first homeowner trap is believing that once you've locked into a low mortgage rate, you're financially set. Getting a low rate feels like winning. People celebrate it. They post about it. They compare it with friends. But imagine buying a Ferrari because it came with cheap financing and then never driving it. A mortgage rate is the cost of borrowing. It is not a wealth strategy. I've seen homeowners save 0.25% on their mortgage while overlooking opportunities to improve their financial position by hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. The rate matters, but what you do with the money flowing through your life matters even more. Don't confuse a low mortgage rate with a good financial plan. If you're a homeowner and you're wondering if your mortgage is supporting your long-term wealth plans or just giving you a low monthly payment, download the Homeowner Wealth Assessment. It'll help you see your mortgage as part of a much bigger financial strategy, not just a home loan. The second homeowner trap is believing that paying off your mortgage as quickly as possible is the smartest financial move. This one surprises people. Being mortgage-free feels like the finish line, and emotionally, I understand why. 0 payments, 0 debt, peace of mind. But wealth is not built by eliminating every dollar of debt. Wealth is built by putting every dollar to its highest and best use. Sometimes paying down the mortgage is exactly the right decision. Other times, investing the excess cash, improving cash flow, or using equity strategically can create far greater long-term wealth. The goal is not to die with the smallest mortgage. The goal is to build the strongest financial position. Debt is not automatically bad. Unproductive debt is. There's a difference. Before you put another dollar toward your mortgage, take 2 minutes to complete the Homeowner Wealth Assessment. It'll help you evaluate whether your money is working for you in the most effective way for your long-term financial goals. Scan the QR code on the screen. The third homeowner trap is confusing home equity with real wealth. This is one of the biggest illusions in personal finance. You open your banking app, your house value has gone up. You think, I'm richer. Maybe, maybe not. Home equity looks impressive on paper, but paper wealth doesn't pay your bills. It doesn't generate monthly income. It doesn't create financial wealth by itself. If all your wealth is trapped within your walls, you are equity rich, but potentially cash flow poor. If you're not sure whether your home equity is actually working for you or simply sitting on paper, I've created a homeowner wealth assessment. Just scan the QR code to score your current strategy and discover where your home may be creating opportunities or where it could be quietly costing you wealth. The question is not how much equity you have. The better question is, what job is that equity doing for you? Are your assets working for you, or are they just sitting there looking valuable? The fourth homeowner trap is thinking that buying the home means you've made it financially. Buying a home is an incredible milestone. Celebrate it, but don't confuse arriving with beginning. Too many homeowners spend years trying to buy the house and almost no time building a strategy after they get the keys. Imagine spending 20 years training for a marathon only to stop running after crossing the starting line. That's what many homeowners do financially. Buying the house is the starting point, not the finish line. Homeownership creates opportunities. What you do with those opportunities determines your future wealth. Want to know what opportunities your home might be creating? Scan the QR code and get the homeowner wealth assessment. You might be surprised by what is still possible after you get the keys. The fifth homeowner trap is believing that simply owning real estate automatically builds wealth. Real estate has created enormous wealth for everyone I know, but owning real estate and building wealth through real estate are not the same thing. Two families can own nearly identical homes. 20 years later, one retires comfortably, the other is still financially stressed. Same market, same appreciation, completely different outcomes. Why? Because wealth is not created by simply owning an asset. It's created by the decisions you make while you own it. Cash flow, taxes, financing, investments, risk management. Strategy always beats hope. Is your mortgage and home equity strategy working for you? Download the Homeowner Wealth Assessment and find out what hidden opportunities may exist and the next steps to make your home work harder for you. The link is in the description. The sixth homeowner trap is thinking that your mortgage only matters when it's time to renew. Most people think a mortgage broker helps them buy the house and then disappears until renewal. That's like hiring a personal trainer who only watches your first workout. Your financial life changes constantly. Income changes, interest rates change, family circumstances change, business opportunities appear, investment opportunities appear. Your mortgage shouldn't be reviewed every 5 years. It should be reviewed whenever your financial life changes. The best mortgage advice is not transactional. It's ongoing because your mortgage should evolve as your wealth evolves. If your financial life has changed, so should your mortgage strategy. Download the Homeowner Wealth Assessment and find out whether your current strategy still fits your long-term goals. The seventh and final home ownership trap is believing that your home is your financial plan instead of one part of a much bigger wealth strategy. This is the most expensive trap of all. Owning a beautiful home doesn't automatically create financial security. Your home is one asset. Your financial life is much bigger than one asset. There's passive income, cash flow, taxes, insurance, business ownership, retirement, estate planning. They are all connected. The homeowners who quietly build long-term wealth don't obsess over one piece of the puzzle. They understand how every piece fits together. That's the difference between owning a house and building wealth through home ownership. Are you ready to see how strategically you're using your biggest financial asset? Scan the QR code and get the Homeowner Wealth Assessment and discover where your greatest wealth building opportunities may be hiding. Here's the truth. Most homeowners don't need another mortgage tip. They need a different framework. because your mortgage is not the destination, it's the transportation. It helps move you toward the life you actually want. Financial freedom, choice, security, opportunity. The homeowners who build lasting wealth don't ask, how do I get the cheapest mortgage? They ask a better question. How do I make every financial decision work together? That's the conversation we're going to have on this channel. Not because mortgages don't matter, they do, but they're only one tool in a much bigger wealth toolbox. If this perspective changed the way you think about your home, subscribe. If you would like to evaluate your mortgage strategy, take 2 minutes and complete the Homeowner Wealth Assessment. This concise assessment is designed to uncover the wealth building opportunities many homeowners overlook. Remember, the goal is not to own a valuable home. It is to make your home work as intelligently as the rest of your wealth.